Shri Hanuman Chalisa, Sanskrit verses with English meanings. Shri Hanuman Chalisa with each doha and chaupai in Sanskrit, followed by a crisp English meaning. दोहा श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधार। बरनु रघुबर बिमल जसु, जो दायक फल चार। Meaning, I cleanse my mind with the dust of my Guru's feet and sing the pure glory of Lord Rama, which grants the four fruits of life, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेश विकार। Meaning, knowing that I am ignorant, I meditate on Hanuman. Please bless me with strength, wisdom, and knowledge, and remove my sorrows. Chalisa, 40 verses. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. Jai Kapis Tihu Lok Ujagar. Meaning, victory to Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Victory to the king of monkeys who is revered across the three worlds. Ram Doot Atulit Baldhama. Anjani Putra Pavan Sut Nama. Meaning, you are the messenger of Lord Rama, a powerhouse of unmatched strength, the son of Anjani, and known as the son of the wind god. Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi. Kumti Nivar Sumti Ke Sangi. Meaning, you are the mighty warrior with a strong, thunderbolt-like body. You dispel ignorance and grant wisdom. Kanchan Baran Viraj Suvesa. Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa. Meaning, your golden complexion shines brightly, and you wear beautiful earrings with curly hair. Hath Bajra aur Dhwaja Viraje. Kandhe Moonj Janeu Sajai. Meaning, you carry a make and a flag, and a sacred thread adorns your shoulder. Shankar Suvan Kesri Nandan. Tez Pratap Mahajag Vandan. Meaning, you are the son of Kesri and the divine incarnation of Lord Shiva, and your great splendor is worshipped across the world. Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur. Ram Kaj Karibe Ko Atur. Meaning, you are wise, virtuous, and highly intelligent, always eager to serve Lord Rama. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasya. Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basya. Meaning, you love listening to Lord Rama's stories and always dwell in the hearts of Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita. Sukshma Roop Dhari Syahi Dikhawa. Vikat Roop Dhari Lang Zarawa. Meaning, you took a tiny form to meet Sita and a massive form to burn Lanka. Bhim Roop Dhari Asur Sanghare. Ramchandra Ke Kaj Savare. Meaning, you assumed a fierce form to defeat demons and successfully completed Lord Rama's tasks. Lai Sanjeevan Lakhan Jyaye. Shri Raghubir Harshi Urlaye. Meaning, you brought the Sanjeevani herb and revived Lakshmana, making Lord Rama embrace you in joy. Raghupti कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत संभाई. Meaning, Lord Rama praised you greatly and declared you as dear as his brother Bharatha. सहज बदन तुम्हारो जस गावे, अस कही श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. Meaning, Lord Vishnu himself said that 1,000 mouths cannot sing your glory enough and embraced you. Sankadik Brahmadi Munisa. Narad Sarad Sahit Ahisa. Meaning, sages like Sanka, Brahma, Narda, and goddess Saraswati praise you. Jam Kuber Dikpal Jahate. Kavi Kovid Kahi Sake Kahate. Meaning, even Yam, god of death, Kuber, and the guardians of the world cannot describe your greatness. तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राज पद दीन्हा. Meaning, you helped Sugriva by reuniting him with Lord Rama and restoring his kingdom. तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. Meaning, following your advice, Vibhishana became the king of Lanka, known to all. युग सहस्त्र जोजन पर भानु, लील्यो ताही मधुर फल जानू. Meaning, as a child, you mistook the sun for a sweet fruit and swallowed it from thousands of miles away. प्रभु मुद्रिका मिली मुख माही, जल्द ही लाग ही गए अचरज नाही. Meaning, with Lord Rama's ring in your mouth, you effortlessly crossed the ocean. दुर्गम का जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते. Meaning, difficult tasks in the world become easy with your blessings. राम द्वारे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. Meaning, you guard Lord Rama's door, and no one can enter without your permission. सब सुख लह तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. Meaning, those who take refuge in you find happiness and need not fear anything. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे. Meaning, Hanuman saves those who remember him in thought, word, and deed. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. Meaning, you accomplish all of Lord Rama's tasks with devotion. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे. Meaning, those who desire anything with devotion to you attain limitless rewards. चारों जोग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Meaning, your glory shines across all 4 ages and throughout the world. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. Meaning, you protect saints and sages and destroy demons, being dearly loved by Lord Rama. अष्ट सिद्धि 9 निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता. Meaning, you grant the 8 mystical powers and 9 forms of wealth, blessed by Mother Sita. राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. Meaning, you have the nectar of devotion to Lord Rama and always remain his humble servant. अंतकाल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहां जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. Meaning, at the end of life, devotees who worship you go to Lord Rama's abode. पवनतनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप. Meaning, O son of the wind, remover of sorrows and embodiment of auspiciousness, reside in our hearts along with Lord Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita. Thanks for understanding the interpretation. May Lord Hanuman bless you.